am Shiva, plus 1,000 others attached. I call upon our beloved Creator of heaven and earth and all that is in between to give me clear, concise, divine guidance that serves His highest good. It is so. We are now vibrating at the frequency of absolute conscious awareness. It is so. Our beloved Creator, what do you want to share with us today? Glowing and growing is our natural state, meaning you are going to experience some physical changes, and it can be a little scary initially just because we're not used to it, but we have to trust our beloved Creator. When you observe your changes, it's a little scary, right? But step up to the throne of grace, embrace it. Truth is, you did pray for it because you are a natural seeker of truth, and now you are experiencing the fruits of your journey. You are finding fork-tongued devil. The serpent is the devil is a female serpent that I found on the dark side of the moon, spewing spirits into a hole on the dark side of the moon. Truth is stranger than fiction. Nonetheless, I think you have overcome this. That's why it's part of your growth, and it can be a little scary. You may even think, is this truly from our beloved Creator? And that's what you talk about, because you want to embrace your full divinity, and then you'll start to see some things that we are not used to. But there's a great distinction between you and the wicked. We have the diamond spirit of our beloved Creator. But the wicked, they come from this thing. I should say they came because this got put to an end. They are now here. Step up to the throne of grace and pray about it. Now there's a reason our Creator will be revealing His presence through you. We can't say what it must be. We have to see what is in front of us. And then we discuss it with Him, and we begin to accept it. But you need a lot of grace initially, because it is different. I'm grateful now that I'm appreciating my perfect health. Our Creator is going to give someone miraculous healing, because just before I started this video, I did a little meditation for our Creator to send perfect health to those who are feeling ill. So, I think you gave up on the, say, like the witch doctors, because they sold you an illusion. You can heal yourself. Our mind controls our body. So if we thank our beloved Creator for our perfect health, and then health is your portion, that's also part of your growth. I'm seeing this now. Maybe you're supposed to get a payout for something. It's coming. And perhaps they wanted to swindle you out of what you are due. But But not only are you getting the money, but you're also getting the perfect health. It may not be as you once were, but you are alive. We have to sometimes weigh uh, the circumstances of our lives, but we have to rise to the throne of grace. It's difficult if, for example, you lost some part of your health, and to adjust to that can make you bitter initially. But eventually we get here to the throne of grace. And then you're supposed to get a payout for this. But they're trying to swindle you, but they won't be successful. Beloved Creator, you see, our Creator takes care of all our matters. When we take it to Him, and then He deals with it for us. That's why I can say thank you for defeating all our enemies on our behalf. Q. Questions, queries. What is this like quantity? Something like that. I think you're going to get more than you expected. This is like a formula they use when they calculate what you must get for the injury. Something like that. So you win on both fields out of this tragedy or challenging experience. You are getting a double blessing. And those who try to make it harder on top of what you were experiencing, all their plans are foiled. You see, our Creator really does, when we ask Him, when we receive His assistance. My beloved Creator, what do you have to say to us? We do not die. That is a lie they told us. This is true because I found all our ancestors here at our Creator's throne. Happy, healthy, and all of that. If they went through something, here they in perfect form. And then also, our Creator is sweetly persuasive with evidence. So, if whatever challenging experience you just endured, or someone you love endured, you can be assured your prayers will be answered. You will see the evidence of our beloved Creator's hand in your matters. Because it is like that. Our Creator's not over there. And you have your life. The quality of your life may have altered and have been very challenging. But you found your way. You returned to our Father through all the stages. I also think you asked Him all the right questions. The way we grow closer to Him is when we speak honestly, whether it's now an unfavorable topic or not. When you see how you feel about this matter, it's that truth. K and balanced equation. I usually say Lord Krishna, but this is good karma. And I'm also hearing to know. A balanced equation. A Creator taking all the wrongs and making it right. You did not deny that is what you were experiencing. You felt it in many ways, and that is what you were discussing with our Creator. For example, like, how could it happen to you? You have found peace with what you experienced, and now it's as though your peace is opening your doors. So not only does your health improve, but you also get this payout for this incident without being concerned about who tried to sometimes lawyers want to take a greater portion of the benefit, but it's not going to happen with you. You went through the pain. It's yours. They're not gonna double it. Thank you. I don't know this woman, but they call her, I think, Lord Kuan Yin, something like that. But I can't say I know about this, just I'm hearing that. But those could be your initials. I'm also thinking King and Queen, you are here in the auditorium, divinely anointed and appointed, and you have such high cosmic ranking. You may have been thinking like, how is it possible that this misfortune could have befallen you? But sometimes things happen, and then your experience will help so many others. It's as though you're rooting or weeding out that corruption within this organization. My beloved Creator, oh yeah, which word of wisdom do you have for us? The quickening exponential growth. Life may not be exactly the way it once was, but you put in so much work and now this is coming to you very quickly. Your healing and your payout. Embrace who you are now, because you still have your life. This card is now just sticking out. Smile and flowers. I'm going to keep them just because I like them. It's been quite a journey, but this is part of your growth. When I see glowing, I'm thinking like you glow like the miracle, like you are a miracle. Took a lot from you, but if one thing that isn't to, you are seeing the hand of our beloved Creator work in your life for you, and you get the healing, and those who did this to you or who's trying to sabotage it for you, they are removed. The Creator is smiling upon you, giving you your flowers. To walk these paths are challenging, but it is the very challenge that then becomes your testimony. How else could you help people if you didn't, if you don't have first-hand experience in some instances? A blessing in disguise, but you're already now on the other side. I think our Creator showed you. It's very beautiful. So, it may have been difficult, but you learned so much about who is for you and who is against you. Sometimes that is the price we pay for this discernment. But I can see that you will be very satisfied with the outcome, and that your experience will be a blessing to others. Our beloved Creator, thank you for this beautiful reading. Thank you that we are now grateful, that we are appreciating our perfect health as we currently are, even if it's not what it once was, but we are still here. Our beloved Creator is worthy to be praised. He is the greatest. Hallelujah, hallelujah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Namaste.